Only yellow. What? What? Yellow big cat. Come. Come. It's mommy. Eh? Mommy came to feed you. Okay? Is it okay? Good? Into quick? Good? Not too much friendly, but yes. Yeah. Look at
Can I pet you? Hmm? Huh?
a little bit proud, but if you give food, it will be okay, I think. Good. Little bit proud cat. Proud cat is like yeah, proud. Maybe he's not hungry.
Not so friendly.
Only he is interested in food. No, let's try to feed him.
Okay, let's give it food.
If you don't want to chat,
Come.
let's feed you. Come.
If you don't want to chat.
Yeah. He said strongly, I came for food, no any love doesn't need from you.